Good morning and welcome, or afternoon. I don't know when you're watching this. That's up to you. Today, on another episode of David Does Things, we are addressing this lovely scenario here. So, if you guys remember, I had that Miata. I still have the seat from it, the driver's side seat from it. I'm gonna end up throwing that in this car right now, but we gotta build some brackets today. So first things first, let's get the seat taken out. Okay, it's not the freaking Discovery Channel here. We're not doing a deep dive on how this car looks, but it sure needs a little bit of loving and some vacuuming. As you can see, it's not the worst, but we do got some gunk that we gotta address real quick. Because you know, we can't be putting in new seats on all this. So let's take care of that with, let me try that again. Voila! We're good. It's now nice and clean. All right, so I've measured from there to there. It's roughly, we're gonna cut our sheets at 21 inches. I'm using 3/16 inch steel for my cuts. So we're gonna go ahead and make two of them at 21 inches to get started with. Okay, so I went ahead and stuck our two original bolts back in the bottom holes here, so we can tell this thing is going to fit quite nicely over the top here. Need to make a note to bend it right about roughly in there somewhere. Okay, and our pro tip of the day to land these holes square, just gonna take a little dollop of grease and just get it a little bit on there. We don't need to soak it. We're not trying to get grease everywhere, especially since we're working on the inside of my car here. Now we can take our piece of metal, lay it on one, make sure we get a good little thing there. Same with the back. Perfect. Now you can see there's a little ring to know where we need to drill through on both sides. So we're gonna go drill our holes and then okay, moving on. All right, we got our seat brackets tacked in place. I think we're gonna have to swap the seat brackets on that because I sit too far back and they don't quite fit, but that's okay. We can just put them on backwards. Time to pull it out, weld it up.
You gotta borrow your bars?
Maybe. Can you truck my bars though? That's the real question, homie.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Weak.
Weak. Oh shit.
Throw them. Throw them. Stop oh-shitting and throw them. Alright, so we got one seat bracket made. However, Houston, we have a problem. I can't get the rear bolts in with where I want to put the seat. Oh, focus. Focus. Okay, we can't put the bolts in where I want to put the seat in, so we're just gonna have to lop off this back corner of the seat bracket on both sides, which shouldn't be too bad. Don't want to lose my little side plaque that says PCI. Even though that's weight reduction, homie. Check it out. Thanks for ruining my clip, Dalton. Stop it. The black line. Stop smoking, Dalton. Stop smoking, Dalton. All right, so we got the sick Corbeau FX1. I can't even with this guy anymore. I can't even. Everybody go down to the comments, tell Dalton to stop smoking cigarettes. All right. Go take a drink. You have a drink. So we got our Corbeau seat in with the FX1 Pro. This is the seat that I had in the Miata. It does touch our door panel a little bit. That's not a big deal. Our nice little seat bracket built down in here. I use my old PCI rails. And we have a nice Gucci seating position. Gucci! Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Wait. Are we sure this is all the way forward? Alright. Gonna have to pull the seat back out. Okay, Dalton's gonna do a trick. We're gonna go let him get ready. Okay, seat brackets are in. I just found out that I just had to shove this seat forward when realistically it was actually all the way back, and that's why I had to cut these, because I was a dummy. So if you got long legs, I now have long leg compatibility, like for this guy over here who's got long legs, who probably can't drive the car now. Yeah, so seats in. That's about it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Don't do a trick.
I'm doing a trick.
Don't do a trick. Okay. We'll film it. Yeah. Wasn't really ready for that.
Well, you made it.
Come back and do it again.
Oh my gosh.
Do it again.
I'm gonna fall this time.
That's not my fault. You didn't let me get in position. Do it again. Gotta roll away, homie. That would have been sick if you would have stayed on it.
I would have stayed on. Oh my god. Instant camera shy.
Yeah, it happens. Me too.
That was the worst one. At least I landed it.
Taking it?
There you go. I'm not making it. I'm done. I'm hurting now.